Happy Maria Day! Good morning everyone. Good morning mga ma'am sir. Introducing to you the Maria Dream Home San Francisco Bayugan 2 Agusan del Sur units. Introducing, this is Ana 2 bedrooms unit type. This is Ella 3 bedrooms unit type. So as you can see mga boss, mga ma'am sir, very wide and spacious kayo ang atong road area. Yan. Tapos, papakita ko sa inyo mga boss, mga ma'am sir, yung ating perimeter fence dito for the safety purposes. Ito yung ating perimeter fence. Yan. Yan. So ito yung